Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock and should you be buying this stock at this point? It's scraping the bottom of the barrel. Is it a good buy here, or should you just sell it, stay away from it, never come back to this, see a sayonara, do it, all that stuff. So with that, well, we'll take a look at all of that and we'll see what the price action is telling us and all that good stuff. With that, I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Also, if you are interested in lot many other stocks trade plans, you will find them all in the collections on my Patreon. Details are in the description of this video. Many of you have joined lately this particular membership, so just know that all these details are coming out as posts on Patreon, so you will receive a notification automatically, and you can just go and also look all these collections back in the time, what plan has been there so far on these stocks, so just so that you are aware about all the information that you need to know. All right, let's get back to SMCI here. Now, SMCI is in the downtrend, guys, period. Okay, we did have some rebounds here, a little bit rebounds here, and my tools did give us that notification. Let's turn on my another tool here. We did have the rebound. You can see a green structure here, but that was it, and that was just a rebound. But you can see we were already bearish for so long. You were shorting it, making money on the downside. Rebound came, you get out from your short. When the rebound starts happening, you can a little bit play long if you like, but just knowing that it's a rebound and we are bearish again here. My tools will help you in all of that. Now, SMC, as I said, is still in the downtrend. We are testing a zone of a previous bounce right now, but it's just a rebound right now at the technical structure. It's not bullish yet. Okay, if SMCI, now where I stand with SMCI right now, I would say it's not a buy here. You should stay away from this stock. There are many other stocks you can play to make money. They are stronger companies. SMCI, you gotta stay away from it. There's a lot of dark clouds they have in the past and they're still carrying with them, and I would not suggest SMCI was the time that any rebounds up here that we got, and back then also this was a play for us. I was talking with my members on Patreon, but that was the time. Take the money, get out. We became bearish here again. My tools will tell you all of that. Now here also at this point, just because it's at the bottom of the barrel almost doesn't mean it's a buy. For you to technically buying this thing, you have to see it above at least $35 to $36 area. That's the zone. If it can do above 35, 36 somehow, then only it has a room to give you a longevity on the upside on the price action. Otherwise, no. Any rebound most likely will just either stay sideways or get faded away, and we may remain bearish below 35 and $36 even from where we are. Now, as we remain bearish, how low can we continue to go? Right now at these places, some rebound is possible again with the test of the recent bottom. It's not an all-time bottom, but it's a recent bottom, but that rebound would only have possibility to last until 32 and 70 cents. Point being, don't bet too much in your upside direction on this, as we are below 35 to $36, and as we continue lower, we have a room to test 27.50 on this thing, and after 27.50 we have a room to test 25.20, and after that like around $16 to $17 as well. Technically we are bearish, so that's the direction. You are only better off looking to the upside, as I said, above 35 to $36. Below that, sure, a little bit of a rebound is possible at these places. Like in the extensions, you got to take partial profits in your short position or fully get out, right? So if you took the short position when my tool gave you the short position, right, like short position started back up here. If you have access to my tools, you would have played the long on this at $40 all the way to $60, and then thereafter when the structure turned bearish, you are shorting this thing $53 from there on, and at 32 you are taking your profits, you are covering your position. My tools will help you in making the money any direction you like. And right now it's not a buy. Technically a good short play is done you should be taking profits. You can still open a position on short, but a little bit of a position as long as structure remain bearish. But what I'm saying is that it's not a buy just because it's getting at to that place where short position is almost completing. It's like a big play. It doesn't mean that it's a buy. Okay, the buy will only become above $35 to $36, and below that we will just continue to remain bearish. I have 4 tools. If you are interested, there is another one here on the option side that helps you take premiums on the covered call and secured put. I just turned it on. So we are getting that a potential taking premium on the covered call side for this particular week, which is already ongoing. You would have, if you have access to my tools, you would have gotten all these signals before the week starts. And so yeah, collect the premium. If you have a position on SMCI, you can make some extra money by collecting a premium on the covered call. My tools will give you all those levels and everything. But so far, it's not a bullish place. Just collecting a premium right now. If you are holding a position on SMCI for any reason, which you shouldn't be, but if you believe in SMCI and you have a position, you are better off writing a covered call on this thing right now, around $35 to $34. My tool will tell you all the zones and levels as well. On all the stocks, not just SMCI, but and collect the premium, and it will secure your position, and you will get some extra money. But it's just not be like, it's just a premium collection right now. It's just gonna keep your position secured that way and just make you some extra money. But it's not a buy right now. Okay, as per the the longevity on this for the buy side of the things. No. So if you're looking to buy this thing, you should avoid. If you have shares and you are like, oh, I don't want to sell it, then you can do a covered call just as my tool suggested. All right, and that will collect the premium. At least it's not dead money for you. At least you will collect some premium that way, and you will keep your shares secured. All right, that's all I had for you guys in this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. If you need access to my tools, details are in the description of this video. And also if you need access to many trade plans on many stocks, check out the details in the description of this video. All right, guys, take care. Bye.